Guys, it's Sylvia here from Tandy Art, and I want to show you the kit the project will be making, the unicorn one. So it's a unicorn DIY kit, and this is how it looks like. So you have your page here for reference, and then you have some collage papers. Then you will have some pieces of scrapbook papers, a vintage music sheet, book pages. You also have one of the stencils, which I designed from AB Studio. Might not be this one, as I have the whole line of them, and that will be a random one, but we use that for the texture, so not really for the design. So it's a surprise which one you get. And the little sponge, and I'll be showing you how to use them for texture. And of course your unicorn made of MDF. It's very easy to paint on this surface. Then you will have your flowers, the butterfly and laces, and then you have the paints. So that's the little containers. I just wrapped them already for the shipping. 5 colors of paints, which you can use them. You can make them, the project your own. So you can use more pink or more blue or more white. Then you will have one container also with glitter to put on the horn. So it's magical. Okay, let's start the project then. Okay, so I'm here with the unicorn. This one is leftover of other MDF, so yours will be just brown plain MDF board. So first of all, you have your pieces of the papers. I just grabbed some random pieces from my studio, and I want you to tear it into small pieces and glue it. So with this kit you will need to have your own glue, your own brushes, and maybe hot glue gun just to be quicker. That's really it. Now my daughter is laughing here. So I don't want you to go to the very edge. You can just do it this way. Glue them randomly just to give a little bit of more texture, and then I come back to you. Okay, so I added some pieces to the unicorn, and then you have that collage sheet. So what I do is cut out a few elements and add it to it, okay? Or I can actually add a little bit. Maybe I'll start with paint first. So what I do is, before I add the collage papers, you have your little paint containers, and I always use my hands. So first of all, I start with white to kind of connect those pieces together. So you won't see them that much to do it, just give extra texture. Yeah, like this. Okay, that's a little bit better. I like to see the book pages, and I have vintage dictionary I added to the kits, and vintage music sheets I got on the vintage market here in Ireland. Okay, and now we need to dry it. Okay, so I added some elements from the collage paper. You have it in the kit. And now I will add a little bit of color. I start with the blue. So it's like a turquoise, just to give the... You can either go first like more pink or more yellow, more blue. I like that turquoise. So slowly, here will be kind of his hair. Trying to give some color to the unicorn. Can leave him white as well, whatever. Okay, yep, just tiny touches. Now I'll add some pink to it. some pink. Okay, and tiny bit of yellow here and there, just to brighten it up. Okay, so now we let it dry. Okay, my daughter wanted to say hello.
Hello!
Okay. So the next step is you have in your kit the stencils which I designed, I believe, in Rainbows and Unicorns by AB Studio, and I will be using it as for additional texture. So with your sponge, I just want you to dab it just a little bit here and there. So just maybe some of the letters, just to add. We have such a thunderstorm here. I'm by the window.
Yes, that's by the window. A tiny bit.
A tiny bit.
No, I mean loads.
Okay, so just the letters, just the texture. Okay. And now I will take a very smaller brush and do some outlines with the black, just gently. So, and I do eyes here.
And then you'll be my little
Yeah, Nandi will be recording her own video soon.
It's called Animal Dolls.
Okay. Shh. Yeah. Just like the definition. Of it. Some doodles. Okay, it's getting there. Now we dry it. I decided to add more pink to him. When it's dry, maybe on the wings, I just want them more pinkish. Yay! So you can decide if you want to do more pink, more yellow. Yeah. Okay, here we'll be adding a bit of glitter. Okay. Okay. Cute. Now I will grab the glitter and heat hot glue gun to add some embellishments to it. If you want to add the glitter, so I put the piece of paper. You put the glue wherever you want the glitter. So I want the glitter here on the horn, here on the wings, and I want here on the legs. So dig. Okay. Now shake it off. Perfect. Who doesn't like glitter? So the rest of it you just do. Yep. Okay. Lovely. Now you have your flowers in your kit, so we will glue them down in here. Always, yeah, like this, together with a hot glue gun. Then you have your little butterfly and a piece of lace. Stick them here, okay? Okay, so I think my glue gun is ready. So I just glue them like this. You can cut them off the little ends at the end, or you can leave them hanging actually. I just cut them off like this. Okay, give a little bit of lace here, and the butterfly might go here. Okay, so that's ready, and I will just add a little bit of paint to the flowers as I want to integrate them with the whole piece. Okay. Yeah, a little bit pink and a little bit blue. Okay, now the unicorn is ready. Lovely. So you can purchase the kit in my Etsy shop. You can make it your own. I would love to see what you create, how you make your unicorn. Okay, bye.